Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making butter chicken. So for this you're going to need 500 grams of chicken cubes. You could also use chicken on the bone. Some double cream, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, some Greek style yogurt, cashew nuts, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, kasuri methi, that's fenugreek leaves, butter, 4 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. 2 tablespoons are going to go in the marinade and then 2 tablespoons is going to go in the sauce. And you're going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 whole onion chopped up into cubes, and green chilies for garnishing. So guys, what we're going to do first is marinate the chicken. For that I just put in half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger powder, and a bit of salt. What I'm going to do now guys is mix it all in and put it in the fridge for around an hour. So guys, I've taken out the marinade from the fridge after like an hour, and on the side I've heated up some oil in a pan. What I'm going to do now guys is fry the chicken until it's golden brown. So guys, I fried the chicken and it looks something like this. So it should look golden brown, and I took it out in a separate tray. And then in the same oil I added in the garlic, the ginger and the onions and some butter. And now I'm going to cook that until the onions are light brown. So once the onions are golden brown, I'm going to add in the tomato tin. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Two tablespoons of cumin powder. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And half a teaspoon of garam masala. And I'm going to stir that all in. I'm also going to add in a bit of salt. Stir that in. And I'm going to wait for the tomatoes and the spices to cook together. So once the oil is up on the top, that's how you know that's ready. So guys, once you see the oil coming up to the top, I added half a cup of yogurt. I'm going to stir that in and let that cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after letting the yogurt cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add in 300 milliliters of double cream. So that's like the whole container. I'm going to add that in and mix that. So then now you're going to let this cook for around 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes of that cooking, I'm going to add in a handful of kasuri methi, that's fenugreek leaves. And then I'm going to stir that in. Now guys, I'm going to add in the cashew nuts. I'm only adding it in now because these are already roasted, but if you get the ones that are not roasted, then you can add it in when you put the onions in. So I'm going to add that in. Stir that in. And then guys, once you stir that in, you're going to turn the heat off and let it completely cool down. And then what we're going to do is blend it. So guys, after that completely cooled down, what I did was I got my hand blender and blitzed it all until it became a smooth sauce like this, so there's no bits in it, making sure all the cashew nuts and everything was blended in well. So as you can see, it's nice and smooth now. And now what I'm going to do is put it back on the heat and add in the chicken that I fried. So guys, I added in the chicken. I'm going to stir that in nicely. And then once all that's stirred in nicely, I'm gonna put it on low and let it cook for around 15 minutes just to make sure the chicken is cooked all the way through. And then what I'm gonna do is just garnish it with some coriander and some green chilies, and then that should be done. So guys, after 15 minutes the chicken was fully cooked, so I garnished it with some cream, some green chilies and some coriander, but that's all optional guys, you don't have to do that. And yeah, so that's ready guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and if you do, then please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.